When it comes to home improvement, window replacement in New Orleans often gets overlooked as merely an aesthetic upgrade. While new windows can certainly enhance your home's appearance, the benefits go far beyond just visual appeal. In a city known for its hot, humid climate, hurricane-prone weather, and unique architectural styles, window replacement is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's energy efficiency, comfort, security, and value. Whether you're dealing with drafty, outdated windows or just looking to enhance the functionality of your home, investing in new windows is a smart decision with long-lasting benefits. In this article, we'll explore why window replacement in New Orleans is much more than just a cosmetic change, and how it can provide a significant return on your investment. Energy efficiency and cost saving. One of the most compelling reasons for replacing windows in New Orleans is the impact on your home's energy efficiency. In a climate that experiences both hot summers and cool winters, your windows play a crucial role in keeping your home comfortable. Old, single-pane windows or poorly sealed frames allow for substantial heat transfer, which means that your air conditioning and heating systems have to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce this heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Double or triple pane windows, along with low-E glass, work to insulate your home by trapping air between the panes, preventing both heat loss and heat gain. This improvement can drastically lower your energy bills, helping to offset the upfront cost of installation. Over time, the energy savings will make window replacement a highly cost-effective choice for homeowners. Protection against the elements. New Orleans is known for its extreme weather conditions, including hurricanes, heavy rains, and humidity. Your windows are one of the first lines of defense against the elements, and older windows often fail to provide adequate protection. Hurricane-resistant windows are built to withstand the intense winds and flying debris associated with hurricanes, making them an essential upgrade for homes in New Orleans. In addition to protecting against storms, modern windows also offer better resistance to moisture. The high humidity in New Orleans can lead to condensation and mold growth in poorly sealed windows. New windows come with advanced sealing technologies that keep moisture out, protecting both the structure of your home and your indoor air quality. With hurricane-rated windows, you also reduce the risk of water damage, which can be costly and damaging. This added protection gives you peace of mind, knowing that your home is better equipped to handle the harsh conditions of New Orleans weather. Improved comfort and noise reduction. If you live near a busy street, commercial area, or railroad tracks in New Orleans, outside noise can be a constant source of disruption. Noise-reducing windows can be a game-changer for homeowners looking for a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Modern double-pane or triple-pane windows can significantly reduce noise by absorbing sound vibrations before they enter your home. This feature is especially beneficial if you work from home, have young children, or simply want a more serene atmosphere. Furthermore, energy-efficient windows help maintain a more consistent indoor temperature, preventing drafts from cold air during the winter or heat entering your home in the summer. This added layer of comfort makes window replacement a worthwhile investment, as you'll enjoy a more pleasant indoor environment year-round. Increased home security. Older windows are often easier to break into, compromising the security of your home. Modern windows come with advanced locking mechanisms and impact-resistant glass that make them much more difficult to breach. Window replacement provides an opportunity to improve the security of your home by choosing hurricane-resistant or impact-rated windows, which are designed to resist forced entry and remain intact even when struck by debris. Additionally, high-quality windows with multi-point locking systems offer greater protection against intruders compared to older, single-point locks. Investing in windows that are secure and durable ensures that your home is safer for your family and belongings. Enhanced curb appeal and home value. While window replacement is more than just a cosmetic upgrade, new windows undoubtedly enhance your home's curb appeal. Whether you choose modern casement windows, traditional double-hung windows, or stylish bay windows, the right choice can significantly boost the appearance of your home. In a city like New Orleans, known for its unique architectural styles, the right windows can complement the historical charm or modern aesthetic of your property. In addition to improving appearance, window replacement can also increase the value of your home. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes with new, energy-efficient windows, especially if they offer storm protection or noise reduction. If you plan to sell your home in the future, replacing old windows with high-quality options can make your property more attractive on the market and provide a solid return on investment. Environmentally friendly choice. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you're not just saving money on your energy bills, you're also contributing to a greener environment. These windows reduce your home's carbon footprint by lowering the amount of energy needed to heat or cool your space. Fewer emissions from your HVAC systems mean a positive impact on the environment, which aligns with a growing trend toward more sustainable living. Conclusion. Why window replacement is a smart investment in New Orleans. Window replacement in New Orleans is more than just an aesthetic upgrade. It's a strategic investment that improves your home's energy efficiency, comfort, security, and value. Whether you're looking to reduce energy costs, protect your home from the elements, or increase its curb appeal, new windows provide a host of benefits that go beyond visual appeal. With the added advantages of hurricane protection, noise reduction, and long-term savings, replacing your windows is a decision that enhances both your home's functionality and its overall value.